Okay. So, today we're talking about multiplying polynomials by monomials. Anybody know what mono stands for? One. Or it stands for illness that lasts way too long. Polynomials means that there's more than one thing in this kind of strand of numbers, and monomial means that it's only one thing. Today, basically, it's going to be a distribution day. It is not too bad. Everybody write it down. Negative 2x, parentheses, 4x squared plus 3x minus 5, parentheses. Actually, I know that I should have done this before I started recording. My apologies, people who are watching this. I want you to go sit by your post-it partner today. Who is Morel's partner? Who's Riley's partner? Does no one know who their partners are?
I'm Riley's.
Who's Morel's?
She could have been the floater.
Yeah, maybe she was. Let's see. Yeah, she was. Eli, you can join any group you want.
Oh my god! It's been an early morning.
All right. So, are we ready now? All right, so here's how this works. Just like a number outside of a parenthesis, hey, focus on me now and stop having extra conversations. So, just like a regular number outside of a parenthesis, you would distribute, right? You'd put that in here, here, and here. Now, you also have to remember those exponential rules we learned last chapter. What do you do with the exponents when you multiply the bases? Grace. Add them. So, do you remember, guys, that if I had, look up, x squared times x to the 4th, that's x to the 6th, because it's like x times x, and this is 4 x's, and that makes x to the 6th. You guys remembering this now? Okay. Remember, you do have that sheet of paper that tells you every single rule, so don't make guesses on this. Look at that sheet of paper if you need to. You have that little book. All right. So we're going to multiply the coefficients here. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. This is x to the 1st. X to the 1st times x squared is x to the 3rd. You add them together. Plus negative 6 x squared, because these are both ones, and you got to add them together, remember? Then what? Plus 10x. Now, can I combine these? Can I put together my x cubed, my x squared, and my regular x? No, this is the answer. This will be a combination of kind of yesterday's assignment and almost like last chapter a little bit. Okay. This one is going to be a little bit more challenging. Write it down. 3n, parentheses, 6n to the 3rd minus 4n, parentheses, and then a minus 2, parentheses, 9n to the 4th minus 11, parentheses. So here's what's going to happen. With your partner, you're going to distribute here and here, here and here. Remember, look up, look up. You are distributing, look up, a negative 2, not a positive 2. And then you need to combine like terms, okay? We're looking for some people who want to win some prizes. I will tell you right now that the answer to this problem is negative 12 n squared plus 22. Talk to your partner. Go.
So you're right. Yeah.
I got lots of fun fidget things today. Remember, if you are a problem, hey, just saying. And if you're like, why does she keep saying this? Because teachers keep talking to me. If you're a problem in another teacher's class with this, I have told the teachers, just send you directly to me. I don't care what I'm teaching at that point. I will gladly interrupt my class in front of a whole bunch of other kids to tell you what. And then probably call your parents. In fact, I'm thinking at this point, I might just dial the number and hand the phone to you so that you can have a conversation with your parents about your attitude with my prizes in front of other students. Okay? We're getting to the point, and I'm talking about people specifically from this class, which usually isn't my class that's a problem, but apparently you guys are problems for other teachers with my prizes. So, if any of you guys decide to throw these against a wall or destroy them in another teacher's room, which is rude, frankly, because I'm giving you these for fun, but if you choose to destroy them, can you do them outside of school? If you do it in another teacher's room in front of another teacher, expect that you're going to run over to me and that we're going to call your parents. Okay? Okay. Do you guys need a little bit more time?
Yeah, we did. I can't
All right, talk to your partner, decide if you guys want to come up here.
What is it?
All right, hand up. 1, 2, 3. You're 4, Kierden. 5, 6. Six.
What? It's no one to you.
do it.
I wanted the stupid ball.
Alright,
Floating balls.
one of you guys, I need you to be right next to the computer so that they can hear you. Alright, go for it.
Okay, so first you're gonna distribute everything. So the 3, you multiply it with the 6, that's 18, and it has an imaginary 1 right there. So it's like